We all age. And it's a beautiful thing, but it's also not very pretty at times. But I have one product that's going to help you maybe age a little bit more gracefully. It has helped me, and I want you to know about it. It is the Maree, the Glycolic Acid and Vitamins Renewal Complex. This thing, small but mighty. This thing has these pads in it, and I'm going to show you in real time just how easy anti-aging sometimes can be. It comes with a little spatula, but I often forget about it, and I just dig my dirty little paws in there. I just got out of the shower. I have cleansed. It says to go after cleanser. Already pre-wet, very mild scent. Glycolic acid, vitamins, very mild. Doesn't sting, at least for me. And you just rub that bad boy all over your skin. Concentrate on the problem areas, you know, crow's feet, under my eyes, my wrinkly forehead. Okay, I'm being dramatic. Calm down, Sandy. But I want you to know that it just is so good. And there's the makeup left on there, so maybe it acts as like an exfoliator / get the gunk that I have yet to take off my face. So this is just as simple as that. You're done. Now you can wait a few minutes, let it dry down. You can put your moisturizer on top. Sometimes I go to bed, forget about the moisturizer. I'm not perfect. I try to do my best, just like I know you're gonna try. But this right here is a beautiful product, and I highly recommend it if you want to age a little bit more gracefully than you are now.